we're doing better, much better than we were. We're doing much better than the rest of the world, but we're not doing well enough. We haven't had a year of 3% growth in a very long time in the United States. And if you look at what the bond market is saying with forward interest rates coming down as much as they have, it suggests continuing concern about underlying growth in this economy. So we've got to be focused on equitable growth for the years ahead. We've got to be doing more to get the economy growing more rapidly and making sure that everybody shares in that prosperity. Yes, we can take satisfaction from what's happened, but if you look at forecasts for the medium term for the U.S. economy, they're now below 2%, and that's not going to keep us in the place in the world we want to be. That's not going to get middle-class families the kind of improvements in their living standards, the kind of expectation that their children will lead better lives that all of us as Americans want.